Among other choices available out there, the Blackstone 36-inch propane gas grill can be a good solution for you who need a piece of cooking equipment for backyard cooking with family and friends. Currently being sold for less than $300, the price is very reasonable for what it provides. Before anything else, the griddle has a 36-inch by 21-inch, 756 square inches cooking surface, allowing you to cook for a bunch of people. Definitely, it is a good size to handle a party or an outdoor event. Many reviewers have been pleased with its versatility. Unlike the 28-inch model, this one comes equipped with 4 independently controlled burners, meaning it provides 4 cooking zones. Just like a regular stove, you can turn one on or all of the burners, allowing you to cook small or cook big. The top is made of thick, cold rolled steel for good heat retention. The griddle top is removable, making it very easy to clean. All in all, the 36-inch Blackstone cooking station is a solid, versatile piece of cooking equipment. With a flat top surface, this probably is not the model for you who want burned, real barbecue taste. That said, if you love to cook outside, then this product is worth considering. The price is agreeable to the majority. From all these products, about 80% of the people have chosen the Blackstone grill and bought it from Amazon. And we have put a link to that product in the description below so you can check it out.